Hi, hello and welcome. This is your favorite chef Shri Bala. I hope you would love my recipes. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to turn the notifications on. Enjoy and happy cooking.
Wishing everyone a happy Pongal and Makara Sankranti and Lori wishes. Pongal is incomplete without the sweet Pongal or the Chakra Pongal. It is a sweet khichdi. I am going to teach you the traditional method of making the Chakra Pongal. Come, let's see it.
Kindly make a note of the ingredients needed for making this Chakra Pongal. The cup measurement is very important. I am going to give you a detailed description about it. If you see, I have used the same cup to measure the ingredients. There is 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of rice, and I've got some cashew nuts and raisins and cardamom. Then I've got green gram, then jaggery and ghee. If you see, I've used the same cup, and again water also 7 cups with that small cup. That's how I've measured. So this is very important for making this Chakra Pongal. In a pan, I've added 1 teaspoon of ghee. I've already washed and soaked the green gram for 10 minutes. I'm going to squeeze out the water, take it out, and I'm going to broil it nicely. You need to remove the moisture completely. I'm adding a pinch of salt. Any sweet preparation, always add a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness. Once you have removed the moisture and it has become dry, I am going to add the milk which I have kept aside. That is 1 cup of milk. With this, I am also going to add 7 cups of water. So effectively it is 8 cups, that small cup. So measurement is very important. I am reiterating. I have increased the gas heat. I am going to give it a nice boil. Once it is boiling, I am going to add the rice. Rice again you will have to wash it and soak it for 10 minutes. The rice used here is raw rice. It has to be a newly bought rice. Only then you will get a nice mushy preparation. The significance of Pongal is you buy a new rice because it's a harvest festival. It's boiling. I'm going to simmer it and I'm going to slow boil till it cooks nicely into a mushy consistency. I'm adding half cup of water and I'm going to make the jaggery syrup. Once it is boiling, I'm going to add jaggery and allow it to melt completely. Let it melt. It's melting now. At this stage, you need to add 1 teaspoon of ghee so that it will release its flavors nicely. If you see here, the rice and the dal, the lentils has cooked properly, and I have blended with a crusher nicely and I have brought it to this consistency. Time to add the jaggery syrup. I am adding the jaggery syrup here. Mix it nicely. You see, it has absorbed the jaggery completely. Allow it to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. By then, we will start the seasoning. I am adding ghee here. In that, I am going to roast some cashew nuts and raisins. Once it is roasted golden brown, add it to the chakra pongal. I'm going to add little more ghee, what is left in the cup, on top. Along with that, I'm going to add a fat pinch of cardamom powder. If you like the flavor of edible camphor and if you know to use it, you can use it. If you use too much, it turns bitter, so be very careful while using edible camphor. After 10 minutes, it will completely thicken and will be ready to be served. I hope you would love this recipe. Makara Sankranti Pongal wishes to one and all. May this festive season bring peace, prosperity and joy to all of us. Thank you.